third day of Human Towers in Ruby, celebrating their Festa Major de Santa Paula. Here we have the local teams, Castellers de Ruby, in this. Nice, bit almost too sunny square. Look at this. Here we have 3x6 crowned by the Castellers de Ruby. Hold on there, Anchaneta. That was well done. I saw the second child from the top really using his arm strength to maintain the position. That was very well done. And also the Dosus, the third level, the girls we see here climbing down now, they made a very good job in supporting So we have a 3x6 dismantle completed by the Castellers de Ruby here in Ruby País de Llobregat, or is it Vallès? I guess it's Vallès, I'm sorry. Because of 2011.